Welcome in to another lesson. So today we're looking at Florence on the Machine. You've got the love. As you can just see, it's a fairly complex beat once it's all done, but we can build it up from something really simple through to that. The good news is the song is super simple, right? It's that beat pretty much all the way through, being played here or being played over this side of the kit here. I'm going to break it down to the simplest form we can. Let's play it to start with like this. And that's just 1 and 2 and 3 E and A4 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and A4 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and A4 and. Once we've got that, the next stage then is to try and figure out where this comes in. Well, we've got a little drag that happens at the end. The drag is just this. Double left onto the right. If you struggle with those, then you can change that just to a buzz. So it could be sort of sound like this. Or with a drag like this. And then the whole groove will be this. Now we got to take those left hands that are on the snare drum, stick them up here on the hi-hats. Now it's on the E of 2 and the out of 2 and the E of 2. Well, what is that talking about? So we've got 1 and 2 and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 E and a 4 and. That's what I'm trying to say. So all that happens then is our hands end up splitting between these two and we go, which is essentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 3 E and a 4. Whole thing. Now what we all want to do though is we want to get those little chokes going. So step 1, just do a few of these. Then when you close it, also hit with your right hand. So you're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we really quickly figure out how the feet relate to that. Now the left foot is going to be closing after it's opened on the 3 and the and of 3. So if I just play the 2 feet and the left hand, we'd get something like 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Now we know where those lie. We've got a bit of a better chance of being able to aim for these. And that's that part. Whole groove. Now, that's enough for you to be able to play this song. There's one other thing that the drummer does where he hits the bell of the ride cymbal. And what he's doing, if I take a normal groove like this, and then every and note, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and I hit the bell. I could call those offbeat accents. Well, what happens is that groove that you just learned a moment ago, we still play those offbeat accents. And one thing that you also hear in there is a lot of crash cymbals. Now at the start of the song, the drummer's actually over this side of the kick. It's exactly the same groove, but it's over on the hi-hats. You're going to get 1 and 2 and F, E and a 4 and a 1 like this. Now the fills are so hidden in the background that I would just make up my own fills to go in this song. If you really want to get exactly what's going on, most of the time he's playing either this fill here, or a variation of that. But they're so hidden in the background that I would just go for any 16th note fill that happens to come out. And with that, you better play with the whole song. So when you're playing it, keep in mind, you want to start low, build up, then start medium, and go big. So everything's gradually getting bigger and bigger and bigger until that big ending. Good luck with it. Go practice it. If you're enjoying this lesson, let me know. Leave me a like, leave me some comments. I'll see you again next time.